Alright guys, so we have just moved into our new villa here in the south, kind of near Weligama, Ahangama, Weligama. Let me show you guys around. So here's our van with all of our stuff, trying to get through the super tight jungle. It's a big van. Villa from outside. Oh, it doesn't look like much. Perfect. But once you go in, Kristina, how are you?
I'm fantastic. Just like I can't like tell anything because like I have no words. Oh my god! Like we saw pictures of this place, but it didn't reflect at all.
These pictures
All the beauty.
do not do this place justice. Like, I want to wide angle it for you guys. Like, it looks nice in the video, but in person, it is so much nicer. Like, it's so luxurious, these little touches.
Yeah, so what I like is that there are a lot of elements like of Sri Lankan culture. Yeah, like something Hindu, Buddhist, different like.
Yeah, these statues, like all really, really nice. Like, not like cheap stuff, like really, really well made. And we're right out in nature, but we have a big TV still. We have books. We have a private swimming pool. We didn't even go outside yet.
And even like, so we have kitchen inside and some even like outside kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
We don't have stove, but we still can cook something.
Nice. This is, oh god, I'm excited for this, guys. I haven't swam in weeks. Hammock. What is this?
So it is like outside kitchen.
Oh my god, it's another little chill area. Oh my gosh. So this is the bar area. Hangout area.
No worries. Oh my god, and you should see our bathroom because
Yeah.
it's big.
Let's go. Kristina's excited. So first, you want to show us the kitchen real quick?
Kitchen is small but really like nice,
Yeah.
neat, beautiful.
We have
I
a,
love the style.
yeah, nice oven as well.
And no one is electrician, which is very comfortable.
Yeah.
So very nice.
Yeah, a little outside window. What is that door open to? I have no idea.
I think just outside.
What is this even for?
A little bit like looks like maybe it should be shower here.
Oh.
But it's not.
So it's just like another outside storage area. Maybe no, dry our clothes or something.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, beautiful.
We literally haven't unpacked any of our stuff yet, so it's all here, but Kristina's so excited already. Here's probably one of the bathrooms, I'm assuming. Small guest bath. Yeah. What? Yeah. Okay. There's 2 rooms.
Like, we will not use it, but like, anyway, it's so beautiful. I
Oh,
really
wow.
love this building.
So this is Johnny's nap room, or Skype room.
Oh
Wow.
beautiful.
Like, look at this wood.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So
These paintings?
each element is like a piece of art here. Like, look at this Asian style table.
Yeah. Look how high these ceilings are. Hold on. Let me open this up. Look up. Try to look up. Like, it's so high. Like, it's hard to explain, guys. It is so high. Kristina, go over there. Reach up. As high as you can. Try to touch the ceiling. Like, jump. Okay, so here's another shower.
Oh, look, I very nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful idea. Oh.
Okay, so this is the guest room. where you can come and talk on WhatsApp. Okay, now to show our room. Dun, 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 dun. First, I like how there's this closet area. His and hers closets. Are. Yeah, the big bed. Wow. So we go straight to the pool. Oh, it's amazing. And if you guys are wondering, this is a guest bungalow that we're not going to be using. But if you have friends over, they can come.
And
okay.
What I love that we also have some special zone for like office zone.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yes. Also,
oh, with plugs too.
So cool. And look at this door.
Yeah, look at this. You know what? At first I was like, this is kind of a weird room to have an office, but actually I would use it because it has this window.
Yes, I would also definitely use it.
And it's long. It's like long bench with plugs. I like these universal plugs here. And our bathroom, you didn't even show it.
Yes. No, oh my god.
So another shower here.
Yeah. Also this beautiful. Yeah. Wait, not beautiful sound.
Well, I think they just haven't turned it on in a while. They're like one of the first guests here in months. And Kristina's favorite.
The most beautiful part.
Oh my gosh.
Bathtub and there's a like.
Oh my gosh, look at this, guys.
So beautiful idea with these palms. Oh my god.
Oh, and that door opens too. Oh my god. Let's run this because it probably hasn't turned on in a while. Oh my gosh. I'm excited for this. Let's go outside. Let's go outside, guys. These are some crazy animals here. Those birds? I have no idea what that is.
Directly in front of our house.
Yeah, it's more of a river lagoon kind of thing. All right. So this is going to be our home for the next 1, 2, maybe even 3 months. I normally try not to get too excited when I first move in before I like check everything out. I like, want to sit on the couch, make sure it's comfortable, make sure the TV works, make sure my Netflix streams. Wi-Fi works good. I check the Wi-Fi, it's good. But I have a feeling that we're going to like this place.
The place is charming, it's adorable, like so nice. Like we didn't expect it at all. Like it's so.
Yeah, like whoever here's the thing about this place is it's hard to photograph. I think because like the photos made the place look nice, but in person this place is way bigger. It's probably twice as big as I imagined it to be, and way nicer. Like way nicer. And like they didn't photograph everything. Like I didn't know we had hammock. Oh. Yeah. Guys, here's my new, I'm gonna start editing my videos here again. Oh. So, guys, we're so lucky that it's low season this year because the travel just hasn't let in yet. So, even though we paid for this place, it's out of our pocket, like we're not required to film this place, we wanted to show it to you because it's so cool. And we got such a good deal. It's about 1 lakh per month, 100,000 rupees, which is $550 or something. Normally this place would be close to that per night. I think it's about $300 a night. So we're getting such a good deal, and it's only because there's no tourism right now. So we are fortunate that we chose to stay in Sri Lanka in 2020. If you want to come in 2021 or 2022, it's going to probably be normal price if you come during high season. But these places exist, so bring some friends, share their villa. Don't come with just 2 people like us. But you can literally fit 2 couples in there, and another couple here, 6 people easily. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you more about our area and why we moved. I had to get in straight away. Best thing about having a private pool, you can be completely naked. Can you see it?
Yes.
So, I'm really happy to see this beautiful villa came with 2 dogs. Not really our dogs, I don't know where they came from, but they just showed up this morning. And we tried to not let them in the house, but every time I'm here, they sneak in. So let's see what they do. I think they're being good now because they see I'm around, but you guys have been sneaking in, haven't you? This is where we're doing my work and setting it up. These chairs are super not comfortable, but this view is amazing to sit here. And there's a ceiling fan right here so it doesn't get hot. But this view is the perfect place to work. So this morning, Kristina made us a beautiful breakfast here in our shala. At least I don't know why I like saying shala so much. Look at this. This is a piece together your own breakfast. I was working just here. And we have this great view right here. It's amazing. There's some crazy noise in the jungle. What is it? Oh, they're monkeys in the tree. I thought that was like a leopard or something. Here's the bike I'm renting for 1 month. All right.
What is it?
Oh my gosh. Can you guys see it? This monitor lizard, not a huge one, but it's still very big, was in our pool. I would love to see that. Come back to our pool. Come have a swim.
Oh, it's something so sweet.
Yeah. You can't see it, it's too dark. He's in the shadow. Also, we cannot see the cat. Oh, there it is. Here's a cat. Oh my gosh. They're the same size. So much life just in our yard.
In a moment I think to myself, is this in the plan for me? In a moment I wish for myself that I could have both so selfishly. What am I gonna do when I choose? Oh, I'll lose you. If I could have anything, everything, would I still choose you?
Oh, it's so cool.
I wanted to kiss you, it's far greater misery. What are you gonna do when I don't end up choosing you? I could have anything, everything, and I don't choose you. I got a lover, he's my best friend. I think nothing.
He's not even afraid of us, we're so close. So Kristina and I squatted down looking at this lizard, and it's right here. It's so close, guys. Kristina's super excited. She found these baskets she's been looking for. Now we have a house. So we got
Beautiful baskets.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. What is that?
It's hot. It's hot out. So now, fit in, guys. It's like actually really good against the sun. Let's go. Kristina's looking at monkeys in the tree. How cool is this? This is our driveway to our villa. And these aren't the normal brown monkeys, common monkeys. These are like really cool monkeys. These are the big black and white furry ones.
God. We are living in the jungle. Oh, look, so small, so cute.
So Kristina's buying more baskets and stuff. So we actually parked there, and we were gonna buy it from this shop because you know it's closer. But this place has the prices marked, so you can see that's the price. That's the local price. So as tourists, we're buying all the stuff here and not there, just because we can see the price. Kristina just bought so much stuff here. Alright, let's see what the damage is here, guys. 4,700, 4,375. Yes. Many things. Oh my gosh. You're too much to carry? Sushi.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. Look at all this stuff.
I was supposed to check what they have there.
You want more?
We're almost done, but...
Okay. So this is the shop we almost bought at, but there's no prices labeled anywhere. So Kristina's buying more stuff. What do you got? More clay pots.
So I found this coconut bowl. And coconut small spoon. And some clay pots for carrying.
Oh my god.
And a mug to drink coffee, tea, water.
So Kristina, what's for dinner? That looks beautiful.
I don't know how to name it in English. Рубленые котлеты.
Chicken
Chicken fillet.
Oh, I'm so excited. Let's eat.